Hey, what's up everyone? Today in this video I'm going to show you best One UI 8.5 quick panel setup for your Galaxy device. So let's begin. Okay, before start, guys, look at this. This is default One UI 8.5 quick panel, and if I edit this quick panel, then I only set for now brightness slider and volume slider horizontal and vertical. Look at this. But I can't adjust size, button box and media player. Look at these. And other toggles only I set horizontal size like this. But now let me show you next level customization of quick panel. Okay, now I download GoodLock and go to QuickStar. Look at this QuickStar. Guys, if you want to set this glass theme on your control center, then simply check out full video link on description, or edit panel style, then also check out full video link on description. Now simply go to advanced setting and enable these resize panel items. After enable this option, guys, now you set freely your control center toggles, media box, completely freely resize. Look at this. Now I also resize button box or media player like this, or look at this small size of brightness slider and volume style. Now I also set other toggles horizontal and vertical like this. Now let me show you best control center setup for your Galaxy device. Okay, now look at this, no any change. First, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth toggles. Now set small brightness slider and volume slider and place like this. And also set square button box. Now tap on done. First go to QuickStar, go back, tap on edit panel style and set media player image. Guys, I select One UI 9 media player PNG image for my One UI 8.5 media player. I apply One UI 9 media player PNG image like this. Look at this. Now simply set media player like this, and look at this. My control center media player completely look like One UI 9 media player. Now place this media player like this. Now set SmartThings vertical like this, small vertical, and other toggles set like this. In last, go to setting, go to wallpaper and style, go to color palette and set color palette color according to your wallpaper like this. Simply tap on apply and your control center completely look like One UI 9 control center. Look at this, guys. This is really awesome, right? Guys, you also set this setup on your Galaxy device after One UI 8.5 update. And guys, in last, I set blue PNG fade background on button box. Look at this. This is completely look like One UI 9 control center. I hope guys you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.